The ABS-CBN Lingkod Kapamilya Foundation is all about conservation and protection. And in that regard, the school is aligned with those visions, and the partnership is all about sharing. It's all about showing us their different involvements in ecotourism sites, and the hope is that the students will learn from the exposure. And eventually it's all about service education, wherein the works of the students will not only help them in their education but also help the communities where we go to.
Kami po ang nag-manage at nag-organize ang mga event din sa Lola Sayong Surf Camp. Ang ABS-CBN Lingkod Kapamilya Foundation naghatag sa amo sin danon sa paagi sin mga surfboard, bangka, dako-dako ang hatag na danon, lalo-lalo na sa mga kabataan sa dahilan na siraan mga nagtutukdo sa pag-surf bilang instructor, nagkakamayon sira sin income. Actually, hindi pangarap, kundi umaasa na matulungan nyo kami sa pagdedesenyo ng accommodation na naaayon sa ordinansa at naaayon sa panahon.
Our project would be, I think, the design of the cottages and the design of the whole community, so that para kung merong bang typhoon or merong bang disaster na dumating, hindi ganun masyadong maapektuhan yung lugar. It's a very humbling experience, and yung makikita mo yung eagerness ng mga staff ng surf camp, makikita mo na talagang passionate sila about surfing and passionate sila about ecotourism.
What strikes me the most is yung passionate ng people who's living here, or yung mga taong ninirahan dito. Kasi 3 times a year silang tinatamaan ng bagyo, and yung mga bagyo na tumatama sa kanila is hindi biro. And yung perseverance sa mga taong to, parang it's inspiring, kasi kahit sa kabila ng lahat ng trahedya, andito sila, humingiti.
They've mentioned na they needed MRF, Material Recovery Facility. And interested ako in building yung sinabi nilang modular houses, yung Lego house na pwede siyang i-remove or tapos pagkabit-kabitin na lang. In case na may bagyo, tatanggalin na lang siya.
I love the idea of students who are creative and young, and the faculty coming forward and helping us make a difference in the community. It's a great way to be educated. We get those people out of poverty. It's exciting. And then I'll say, wow, you know, it's the St. Benil that helped us do this.
When we talk about environmental issues, it's very important for the students to see for themselves, to feel the environmental issues. Like today, it was all raining, so what can we do with that? Weather's changing. The site where we are in now, in Gubat, Sorsogon, this is hard hit almost every year by typhoons, so a lot of damage, a lot of people get hurt, and they spend a lot of money rebuilding lives. So as an educational community, what can we do? How can we help in that? So those are the questions that keep on bugging me, and you know, it's the prayer that we're able to find solutions.